Okay, post game po tayo ngayon, 52-69. Winner po tayo by 17 points, the Projects. Coach, ano na? Team photo. Si Jose, si ano? Si Simil.
Yung kulang. Saan ko mabayaran?
Ay, dyan, sa kanya. Okay, final score po tayo. 52-69. Winner by 17 points po. Yan po ang The Projects. I think pwede yung umupo na ibad sa gitna nila. Wag na tapan yung score. Okay.
Magpa-pretty boy muna tayo! Alright, hey! 1, 5, sir, cover ka, sir, cover! Pakita ka, sir! Yan, okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Okay. POG po sino? Jose.
There we go.
Okay, POG po is Jose. Number 32 Jose, yung kanilang sentro. Okay, Jose, welcome again, Jose, and congratulations for winning the ball game. I believe so when you're here, welcome back mo. I think believe so you're already here, maybe. You're finished already. Yeah. Okay, say now, as of now, you're now 5 wins and
5-1.
yeah. Okay, 5 wins lang. Okay, now what expect now for the final game?
We need to expect and bring more people.
Okay. Okay, thank you. Say, go.
We are enjoying the game. Like enjoying the game.
Good. Now for sure, I think you're already qualified for the quarterfinal. By the way, but yet to be decided of your opponent on the quarterfinal. Now, what to expect on the quarterfinals for the Projects?
We're gonna do our best.
I believe so. You should be now. All of you should be present now.
Yes.
You must be there along with your keepers.
Exactly. But we're enjoying the game, so that's the key.
That's it. Okay. Okay, Mr. Jose, give 1 minute to greet everybody, your loved ones, everything. Okay.
Hola, ¿cómo está mi gente? Disfruten el juego, espero que hayan disfrutado. Tú sabes, le metí un par de punticos, soy el MVP. Thank you so much, I love you. My people.
Okay, that's Mr. Jose po, winner and man to match po from Team Projects.